I got into 3D printing, and sure enough, I built the filament extruder, mostly based off of photos of other people's extruders. And one of the biggest challenges has been not putting a filter screen on the nozzle. And what that really means is after a while you start getting really clumpy filament, and then no filament at all, and then it breaks off. So we start off from pretty well perfect filament, so 1.75 millimeter, give and take, plus and minus 10 or so, but it's mostly 1.75. And all because of a tiny piece of metal inside the nozzle that jammed it. So that's all it takes.